Crash Course on Gender Studies, Gender and Culture. Gain an understanding of how gender is represented in different cultural forms, including literature, film, and popular culture. Sure, I'm happy to provide you with a crash course on gender studies. Gender and culture are two interrelated concepts that significantly impact our lives. Gender, in simple terms, refers to the social and cultural differences between men and women. Culture, on the other hand, encompasses the beliefs, values, behaviors, and practices of a group of people. Gender is an essential part of culture, and how it is represented in various cultural forms such as literature, film, and popular culture is a crucial aspect of gender studies. Gender and culture in literature. Literature has been one of the most powerful forms of expression that captures the nuances of gender roles and expectations. From classic literature to contemporary writing, authors have explored the complexities of gender and its impact on individuals and society. One such example is the classic novel Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte. The novel explores the gender expectations of the Victorian era and highlights the limitations faced by women in society. Jane, the protagonist, defies societal norms and expectations to forge her path, providing a compelling commentary on gender roles and expectations. Another example of literature that explores gender roles is The Handmaid's Tale by Margaret Atwood. The dystopian novel explores a society where women are reduced to mere childbearers, highlighting the dangers of patriarchy and gender-based oppression. These novels provide insights into the complex relationship between gender and culture and how they shape our lives and society. Gender and culture in film. Film is another powerful cultural form that has the potential to shape and influence our attitudes towards gender. From Hollywood blockbusters to indie films, cinema has explored various aspects of gender roles and expectations. One such example is the film Thelma and Louise. The film challenges traditional gender roles and stereotypes by depicting two women as protagonists who break free from societal expectations and expectations to embark on a journey of self-discovery. Another example of film that explores gender roles is Brokeback Mountain. The film explores the complexities of a same-sex relationship in a society that stigmatizes homosexuality. It highlights the societal pressures that prevent individuals from embracing their true identity, and the tragic consequences that can arise from such expectations. These films provide valuable insights into the complex relationship between gender and culture and how they shape our perceptions of ourselves and others. Gender and culture in popular culture. Popular culture, including music, fashion, and social media, is another essential aspect of gender and culture. Popular culture often reinforces gender stereotypes and expectations, contributing to gender-based discrimination and inequality. However, popular culture can also be a powerful tool for challenging gender norms and promoting equality. One such example is the #MeToo movement, which gained traction through social media and highlighted the prevalence of sexual harassment and assault. Another example of popular culture that challenges gender norms is the rise of gender-neutral fashion. More and more designers are rejecting traditional gender stereotypes and creating clothing that is not limited by gender. This movement promotes gender equality and challenges societal expectations of gender roles and behavior. These examples demonstrate the potential of popular culture to influence and shape our attitudes towards gender and promote equality. Top 12 different cultural forms represented by gender. Literature, film, music, art, fashion, advertising, social media, dance, theater, television, sports, video games. Each of these cultural forms has the potential to shape our attitudes towards gender and reinforce or challenge gender-based discrimination and inequality. In conclusion, gender and culture are two interrelated concepts that significantly impact our lives. Understanding how gender is represented in different cultural forms is crucial to promoting gender equality and challenging gender-based discrimination and inequality. By exploring the complexities of gender and culture in literature, film, and popular culture, we can gain a deeper understanding of how these cultural forms shape our attitudes towards gender and how we can work towards promoting equality. It's essential to note that cultural forms are not created in a vacuum, and they reflect the beliefs, values, and practices of a particular society or community. Therefore, understanding the cultural context in which these forms are created is crucial to interpreting their messages accurately. For instance, the representation of gender in traditional folktales varies across different cultures. In some cultures, women are portrayed as passive and submissive, while in others, they are depicted as strong and independent. Understanding the cultural context in which these folktales were created is essential to interpreting their messages accurately. Similarly, the representation of gender in advertising and marketing campaigns is shaped by the cultural context in which they are created. For instance, in some cultures, women are primarily marketed to as homemakers and caregivers, while in others, they are targeted as career women and professionals. These campaigns reflect the societal expectations and stereotypes surrounding gender roles in a particular culture. Summarizing gender and culture in different cultural forms. Gender and culture are two interrelated concepts that significantly impact our lives. Understanding how gender is represented in different cultural forms such as literature, film, and popular culture is crucial to promoting gender equality and challenging gender-based discrimination and inequality. Cultural forms reflect the beliefs, values, and practices of a particular society or community, and understanding the cultural context in which they are created is essential to interpreting their messages accurately. In conclusion, the representation of gender in different cultural forms reflects the societal expectations and stereotypes surrounding gender roles and behavior. By gaining a deeper understanding of how gender is represented in these forms, we can work towards promoting equality and challenging gender-based discrimination and inequality. Poem? Gender and culture, interwoven threads. Shaping our lives, and influencing our heads. Literature, film, and popular culture. Reflecting beliefs, values, and practices of the vulture. Jane Eyre defying norms and expectations. Thelma and Louise challenging gender stereotypes with no reservations. Brokeback Mountain exploring same-sex relationships with limitations. Examples of cultural forms highlighting gender complexities and implications. Music, art, fashion, advertising. Social media, dance, theater, and television. All have the potential for promoting equality and vision, or reinforcing gender-based discrimination with precision. Sports and video games too reflect societal expectations and stereotypes anew. Understanding the cultural context is vital to interpreting their messages and survival. Gender and culture, complex and intertwined. Represented in different forms, reflections of the human mind. By gaining a deeper understanding of these representations, we can work towards gender equality with no reservations. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and our price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our InHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.